Dr. Kwame Nkrumah remains one of Ghana's most brilliant, selfless, and patriotic leaders. While I don't know everything about him, just the fact that he deliberately established farms and distributed them freely to farmers, helping them feed their families and boost the economy, speaks volume about his vision. But that's not all. He also built dams and a well-structured irrigation system to support agriculture. One such example is the Ashiaman Lebanon facility, where you can learn catfish and tilapia farming for free and even purchase fingerlings. I covered this in a video. Check the link in the comments to watch it. I believe there are more of these projects across the country. During a visit to Kumasi for a project, a farmer mentioned knowing a few similar initiatives there. If you are aware of any of this in your area, let me know in the comments. I would love to visit. In today's mini vlog, I explore the history and land ownership system of the Dawhenya Irrigation Project, another one of Dr. Kwame Nkrumah's enduring legacies that Ghanaian farmers still benefit from till today. Before we dive in, don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. The Dawhenya Irrigation Scheme is located in Dawhenya in the Ningo Prampram district of the Greater Accra region. The scheme covers an area of about 980 hectares. There is the Chidal River, which has been dammed, and this feeds water to the farms through a pumping station, which subsequently delivers through canals using gravity. A company fully owned and controlled by governments called the State Farms Corporation, which was established by Ghana's first president, Kwame Nkrumah. He envisioned the only way for rapid economic growth is through the establishment of state farms and state factories. Construction works in the property started in 1975 and ended in 1978 during Ignatius Kutu Achiampon's reign as head of state in the same period.
This project was started since Dr. Kwame Nkrumah, and when Kwame Nkrumah was overthrown, the place was left idle. And when General Achiampong took over power from the other government, we said we were going to revive the distance. So we started Operation Feed Yourself program. We started as an Operation Feed Yourself program. Then we came to construct the pumping station, the water reservoir, and they fixed the machines and did all whatever the work that they are supposed to do. They erected the canals and did all. After they share it among those who are farmers who are willing to farm
For free.
Yes. Operation Feed Yourself campaign started in 1973. From 1973 we started.
Operation
So we were
Feed
working
Yourself
from them as volunteers. I'm part of this voluntary farmers, voluntary workers who constructed this. So after we finished, the land was distributed to farmers who are willing.
So till now, those voluntary workers, I believe that they still own the lands.
Yes, they were,
So they pass it on to their
the successive.
Oh, okay.
Yes.
So right now, if you want a land,
From
Bruce,
C5 settlement. C5. You're very saying.
C5 settlements, settlement.
Settlement.
Okay. demarcation.
Yeah, for my like A, B,
okay.
But this side, any actual side, any old any middle side.
Okay.
If you to other side, and there was C1, C2, to C5, and the C5.
Okay. Now C5 no yeah then ube dani
oh since I say your grandfather's started and Sunday so about your battle.
Okay. Okay. Maybe fee say yedema high ana baby.
Oh, renting for it say dia omo ma pre.
Okay.
I say waya wa pre we di be 60 years to the pension. Into dia ma
rent
dia bi on so pay ya. No pay bi ama. Yes so much so. But I just want to be and say dey ga. Oh, holding it down, no be na dey. But say na young guys.
It's also papa na dem.
Yes sir.
Okay, yes, papa so ne papa na dem.
Yeah.
Oh,
so so mo dey starting.
Me so
go a. Me so ba. Say ko na no ma ba so mo yo mo yi. Trot. Trot ni do mo be so mo ye adu. I am a pop shop so mo ye adu ma. Mo na dey. Okay. My
first no ye na no mo do.
Yeah.
First no we say papa panipa na wa chichira apa no gudu ya kese ba. Eli ho bi o. Akwadona do. Yeah,
in 1977, the state compulsorily acquired the land through an executive instrument. The Dawhenya Irrigation Scheme has been through a number of partnerships and interventions. The key among them has been the South Korean government, who has been instrumental in providing funds.
Presently, the land is not available now. Some are under construction. So the same Korean people are helping to develop more land so that we can get more people.
Oh, okay. So I see that they are doing some construction, some pipe.
Yes, it's a new pumping station.
New pumping station. Yes, so they are bringing
this
water.
The old one cannot cater for us all.
Okay.
So this is a new plan. You can see the line. We are constructing the line to building another reservoir.
Financially,
by giving us the incentives. The farm inputs.
Okay.
And money harvest, so they deduct it from our costs. It's a help that the Koreans are assisting Ghana.
Okay.
As we are packaging if we finish, we send it to the warehouse. The total cost they calculate it, then they deduct they give you check for your money at the bank. They go and take your money from the bank. And this one they are taking it to farmers all over Ghana, wherever they are planting.
The project is aimed at the installation of 1,000 greenhouses and an entrepreneurship and innovation center for the training of human resources. Some greenhouses have been completed and commissioned. The rice production today is in full course, but I can't tell for the greenhouses. Most of it looked torn and abandoned. This project would have been West Africa's biggest greenhouse project. There are combined harvesters which are used to harvest, thresh and bag the rice. Like I said, this is a mini vlog, so I didn't go in details on this. If you want a full documentary on this project and most of the agricultural projects across the country, please leave a comment.